Hinda Yanduna, welcome back. It's the Higher Table Podcast, Coven Rap Radio. This is the entertainment side of things. Yeah, but I'm saying that because, guys, wow, I'm loving how everybody has a gig now. Like, there's so many gigs, artists are starting to perform. Like, they're performing everywhere, man. It's party after party, gig after gig. So yeah, man, I'm happy. Or yeah, most of the artists are getting booked, and they definitely enjoying the fruit of that work, man. Yeah, man. But yeah, we're not about that today. I'm currently looking at the track Tshivhidzelwa. I was hoping the song was gonna drop. There's a track that's gonna drop, Tshivhidzelwa, which was gonna be completely different. With my sources, I know that it was supposed to drop on the 11th of November. It was the track that is gonna be more way doper than the current Tshivhidzelwa, which means they're just gonna rework everything and So I don't know, man. Okay, he got signed. Open mic. This is like about a week ago or something, man. It's not long ago. It's not even a month or signing. Then man, they went and reworked Tshivhidzelwa, drop it. You feature Makhadzi. I know most people might not agree with me because of the love we have for our sister Kadziashu and all that, but I don't really feel that song, man. I'm not feeling it. I feel like the song was too rushed. Come on, they should have given it time. And when I found out that they're gonna be dropping the song Tshivhidzelwa, in my mind I was like, okay, they're gonna bring that vibe. The beat will have those elements from that original remix that he did on the piano, and then maybe whoever that's gonna be featured is gonna be maybe on the second verse or towards the end somewhere. But the track will come back with that vibe. I felt like it wasn't the same, man. It wasn't, because that song was talking about Tshivhidzelwa, which is talking about your calling or mbidzo. Yachuisa mbidzo mabana bashu. Ningani go bidzelo mfunzi, ngango bidzelo ba mprofita, ngo bidzelo ba baba. Okay, baba ngambo zogera mabudzi, zezo mashuma mabudzi. Ningani go bidzelo ba mini, ane fukana ba dokotela na wona uri ini ngo difunela zo chakatela ngafa mara mbidzo iri budokotela. Ngafa ini ngo difunela zwa bufunzi mara mbidzo iri ini chano vani ashara ngapha ngofunda profit mara mbidzo iri vani maine, all those things. Like, I'm just trying to give different examples, like not really like that, but I'm just trying to show you rikamba ngambidzo vana Tshivhidzelwa. Those are the things. So I didn't really I'm trying to understand that verse ya Makhadzi on that song, and the song was rushed, guys. As much as I love both the artists, like Video love Makhadzi, but this kid now, then I've grown fond to enjoy this the track because of this first track it dropped. I feel it was too rushed. I don't think drop was that song. I think they should have given it time, work on it, try and push the original one. If they needed clearance, then link up with the artist or with the management of the original song, clear the samples or clear whatever that needs to the vocals and all that, and bring us the same hit, or push the original hit, push the song, get it on the radio airplay, get the song, because the song that's still popping on the street is still the same original one. This one, guys, nah. It's not doing it for me. Like, I could enjoy it. I know mtu ngako enjoy, but asindwa nende kwamba the wenda kubona ngayo ri otapanye dziwa pala petu man otapanye dzisiwa too much angoba shumwa limbo rough watch maturity hedwa mini osoko recordiwa edwa na verse. I don't think obanela ntio sumbezore. This is what the song is all about. This is how we want you to do it, and the verse must be about this. Follow that what Kongwan. So that's when hey, for me, no. Tshivhidzelwa choice. And on this one, let's be honest. chova chuwisa vo chuwa vata zwine like they want to capitalize on the whole hype, but I get this one. Nah. Open mic, guys. No. Let's get this thing right, man. If there's another way, let's rework the song and drop it again. We don't care, but we want the same feel, the same vibe, the same thing. Because you can feel the beat now, yes, but it does not have that theme. Like something is missing. So yeah, man. For me, Tshivhidzelwa, Echinoni, Ft Makhadzi, nah. Nope. Doesn't cut it for me. I think they should go back and re-record it. Let's re-record the song. What tabanye stuff up it? So just go damage a career to Ghana up it. Because we're expecting more from him. No. Just got signed. After getting signed today, 3 days, 4 days later, boom. But the lyrics the quite gay, the song quite gay, but yeah, man. That's all just my views, guys. Let me go check out Tshivhidzelwa Plus. Diabo, yabona. Nda yadona, ndibafuna zone. Amara here. Nda.